Welcome to Galaxy India Toon TV.
Hello friends, do you want to play a game? Look over here, see the image, guess, and fill in the missing letters. When you recognize the image, say it loud. What object is this?
It's a color.
That's right, it's a color. And how does we spell it?
Color.
You guessed it right. Well done. Let's try another one. See who guesses it fast. What object is this?
It's an ice cream.
That's correct. It's an ice cream. And how does we spell it?
ICECREAM.
You guessed it right. Well done. Let's see how you do with the next one. What object is this?
It's a house.
Absolutely right. It's a house. And how does we spell the house?
HOUSE.
Correct. You did it right. Well done. Will you figure out the next one? What object is this?
It's a duck.
Exactly. It's a duck. And how does we spell it?
DUCK.
Absolutely right. Well done. Let's try the next one. What object is this?
It's a scooter.
You guessed it right. It's a scooter. And how does we spell a scooter?
SCOOTER.
Right. You guessed it correct. Well done. Let's see if we know what comes next. What object is this?
It's a lotus.
Absolutely correct. It's a lotus. And how does we spell it?
LOTUS.
Well done. You guessed it right. Let's try another one. What is this?
It's a teacher.
Right. It's a teacher. And how does we spell it?
TEACHER.
Correct. You guessed it right. Well done. Let's see how you do with the next one. What object is this?
Shoes.
Right. It's a shoes. And how does we spell it?
SHOES.
Absolutely right. Will you figure out the next one? What object is this?
It's a rickshaw.
Correct. It's a rickshaw. And how does he spell it?
RICKSHAW.
You did it right. Well done. Let's try the next one. What object is this?
It's a shirt.
Right, it's a shirt. And how does we spell it?
SHIRT.
Absolutely right. Well done. Let's see if you know what comes next. What is this?
It's a horse.
It's a horse. Correct. And how does we spell it?
HORSE.
Absolutely right. Let's try the last one. See who guesses it fast. What object is this?
It's a yo-yo.
Right, it's a yo-yo. And how does we spell it?
YOYO.
Well done. If you like this video, then there is lot more. Keep following for more fun activities.